Hello guys! How are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Menicucci and today I'm gonna teach you Brazilian Portuguese pronunciation. That's it. You guys have been asking me a lot of stuff about Portuguese, asking me also to teach some Portuguese here. The best way I think it is to learn something and to make us remember it after all is to learn with some references, you know? And since I'm a Brazilian, a typical Brazilian, and I love football, and I'm very sure you guys like it too, because football is a universal passion, right? I separated some names of some famous football players or soccer players if you're an American. I'm gonna teach you guys how to say that word and why. What letters together make that sound. Let's start with the first football player. The first guy, the first gentleman that I decided to bring to this list. He played long time ago. I didn't even see him playing in person, but I saw some videos and he was impressing, he was amazing, and his name is Garrincha. Yes, that's it. Garrincha. This can sound weird. This name is also not very common in Portuguese and probably it has a meaning that I don't know. I wanted to talk here about the sha, Garrincha. This sound is present also in Richarlison, that is another football player. Garrincha was a guy that played amazingly and he had a leg shorter than the other. But don't forget about his name is Garrincha, because the CH in Brazil or in Portuguese in general has this sound of sh. Let's move to some more recent players. People that I know, that you know, that I know, your mom know, even your grandma know. They are the best players ever. Tonaldo and Ronaldinho. I know that most of people don't know that their name are like this, but in Brazil, in Portugal as well, this is like a common characteristic. In the beginning of the word, the R is always gonna have this harsh sound, you know, like more in the throat, like Ronaldo, Rivelino, Reinaldo. These names are all with, you know. I don't know if the mother of the football players have the very similar taste, but they all have the same name. Even now, Cristiano Ronaldo, Ronaldo. And I don't know why I said Ronaldo. I think it's just my Romanian habits. The next name, the next player I want to talk about is Falcão. Falcão, also João Felix, that plays now. He's from Portugal, not from Brazil. But if we are talking about Portuguese languages, Portuguese players are also accepted in this channel, alright?
Okay.
This that is present in Falcão and is present in João. It is a sound that comes from your nose. I don't know if this word exists, but it's like a nasal sound. Falcão, João, the same way that we say não, that means no in Portuguese. So it's a pretty important sound, but I know that you guys have a hard time trying to say it. So just try many times, because I also have hard time saying words. After a while, I don't know, it's unconscious, you get it. Just try. Repeat with me. Não, Falcão, João. Just kidding. Next one I want to move is to Coutinho. Coutinho is especially a player that I have heard his name in many different ways. Here in Romania, basically they say Coutinho, I don't know, something like that, because there is a OU. But Portuguese, differently from French, we pronounce basically mostly all the letters. Coutinho, we say Coutinho, and the T in Portuguese, especially in the south and southeast of Brazil, we pronounce like this, like chi. Instead of T, we say chi. In general, in Brazil, you will probably hear Coutinho. And with this T, we also have the Thiago Silva. I almost forgot his name. Thiago Silva. He's the captain of the seleção. Seleção like Falcão and João. And Thiago is like Coutinho. But I want to say that if you say Thiago, it's not wrong, because I think that's the way that they say in Portugal, and that's also the way that they say in the north or the northeast of Brazil. We accept many accents, don't you worry. I want to talk about Neymar, and Marcelo. I want to talk about these two guys because their name could be pronounced differently in 3 different ways depending on where you are in Brazil. Some people are gonna say Neymar and Marcelo. Other people are gonna say Neymar and Marcelo. And other people like me will say Neymar and Marcelo. But this is just accent matter, you know, all of them are correct and accepted. But I also want to tell you guys about the name of Marquinhos. His name also depends on the region you are, could be Marquinhos or Marquinhos, it doesn't matter. But I want to say about the Q-U sound, that normally it could be like qui, like in Italian, or qui, like in Spanish. But in this case, Portuguese is more similar to Spanish because the Q-U in Portuguese makes that sound of que, qui, you know? Or if it's with A, then it's gonna be qua. These were the tricks for today. If you want to learn more, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Tell me here down below what you would like me to teach you this time. If you want to know more about pronunciation, if you want to know, I don't know, translations of soap operas, because I know that you guys like it. I know that you guys watch do Clone. If you came here to learn Portuguese, tell me here, I'm gonna do more videos for you. But if you also want to learn some different languages, I did 2 videos about Romanian language that they are very interesting. So that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, and today I'm not gonna say la revedere like I say in Romania. I'm gonna say in Portuguese. Tchau, adeus, nos vemos no próximo vídeo. E é isso, gente. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. Um beijo.
Eu sou uma brasileira mais valente.